Hello everyone, today I want to show you how to make mini fabric bows using offcuts from my clothing alteration business, and of course for you, the leftover fabric from your sewing projects. The digital pattern is available for download for free. Link in the description. I hope you are ready. Let's go! These bows are a quick and easy project and a great way to use up scraps. Plus, they make cute addition to any outfit or home decoration. In this tutorial, I will be using them to decorate my generic hair tie, just because I need some no-brainers sewing project to use up my fabric scraps. Here we're doing the obvious, putting the right sides of the fabric together. Use the small stitch number 2 on your sewing machine, and there's no need to back tack because the small stitch have already locked itself in. Be sure to leave a gap in between the bow. That will make it easy for us to turn it inside out at the later stage. To begin, I start by spreading out all of my cut pieces with the same colors. I then pick and pair 2 colors for each bow, arranging the right side of fabric together in a 90-degree rotation, stacking them on top of each other. This allows me to mass produce the bows in an extremely efficient way. I find that by placing the right sides together and stacking them in this way, it makes it easy to sew the bows and ensure that the finished product is professional and well made. By following this process, I can quickly and easily create a large batch of fabric bow using my scraps. After stitching every bow, I then turn the whole lot inside out. To assemble the hair tie, we simply slip the bow piece through the elastic string, which is the hair tie, and tie your bow. Some bow that has a corduroy layer, it's so thick that I have to use a plier to help with pulling it tight. There you have it, mini fabric bow hair tie.